Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your coffee foamy, updated. Froth hot milk with a handheld frother until small, silky bubbles form and pour immediately. Start with cold milk, warm gently to the right temperature, and use consistent circular motion to build microfoam. Tap and swirl the pitcher to remove large bubbles before pouring slowly over espresso or brewed coffee for a glossy, latte-like finish that stays creamy. Choose tools that match your routine and budget to make foamy coffee consistently. Handheld frothers are affordable and convenient for quick cups, while steam wands yield professional microfoam for espresso and latte art. A French press or whisk can produce good foam with more effort by pumping rapidly to aerate milk. Keep your tools clean and use the right pitcher shape to control swirl and texture for better foam every time. Milk choice changes foam behavior and mouthfeel, so experiment to find your favorite. Whole milk makes dense, silky foam that clings to espresso, while oat milk delivers smooth, stable foam for non-dairy drinkers. Skim milk foams easily, but yields lighter texture and less creaminess. Always start cold, allow room for expansion in the pitcher, and heat to the recommended range for the best balance of sweetness and foam stability in your coffee drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.